Welcome back to the Granding channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the all-new ZK-D100S waterproof handheld metal detector. The ZK-D100S is a high-performance handheld metal detector that plays a crucial role in security detection, helping to prevent the smuggling of contraband such as knives and guns. In factories, it ensures the protection of valuable assets by detecting any metal objects that shouldn't be leaving the premises. In educational areas, it's a game changer, preventing the use of cheating tools like mobile phones and electronic dictionaries. With its waterproof design, the ZK-D100S is built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring reliability and durability in the field. Want to know more about how this tool can safeguard space? Check out our website or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.